Okay, you probably can't see me that well because it's dark in the car, okay? But I'm making a YouTube video about the badass high Fonics 5 1/4 inch door speakers that are fucking sick. They're Zeus 320 watt max 5 1/4 inch door speakers with light up ring around the tweeter in the middle, which is pretty cool. I mean, anyway, here's a little demonstration. I am doing right under 70 on the interstate outside of Union Gap, Washington, and this is kind of what the setup looks like. Alright, we got stereo, you know, pretty much Pioneer, 2012 Pioneer. It's color red right now because it looks better on the video. Can't really see the blue, it's kind of darker. Anyway, see I'm driving down the road right now, this is the freeway. Alright. So now we'll go ahead and push her on to go and crank it up, and you can watch the magic happen.